Hello students, today we are going to discuss another important document that is required in the formation of company. This important document is known as Article of Association. Article of Association basically is an important document that contain all the rules and regulation related to the internal management of the company, or we can say whatever the deals or affair of the companies are there, that is related to internal only, not for external. All the rules are being mentioned in the article of association, and this article of association is important because it is a subsidiary document of memorandum of association, and it also defines the duty, rights and powers of the officers and board of directors. It is also known as bylaw of the company, or it is also called doctrine of indoor management. Now, this document contains certain contents. These are basically divided into 10 parts. First one is the amount of share capital and different classes of share. It is the one of the important content of article. What are the amount of share capital and what are the different type of shares that the company are going to issue? Share can be equity share, it can be preference share. Different classes of share means different type or different kinds of share that the company is going to issue for the general public. Second is right of each class of shareholder. It means what are the different rights that are being given to the shareholders, because in case of a company, shareholders are considered as the owner of the company and they have certain rights, and these rights are being mentioned in the article of association. Third is called procedure for making allotment of share. Third content contain the different ways or procedure how the company can make allotment of shares when they are going to allot the shares. These things are being mentioned in the third content of article of association. Fourth one is procedure for issuing share certificate. In the fourth content, how the share certificates are being issued to the shareholder, that procedure is also mentioned in the content of article of association. Fifth is known as procedure for forfeiture and reissue of forfeited share. In this, how the shares are being forfeited and how the forfeited shares are reissued, that procedure is mentioned. Now the thing is that what is the meaning of forfeiture? Forfeiture means cancellation of shares due to non-payment of amount on shares. And in it can also be say that forfeited shares मीन्स शेयर्स को जब्त करना. कंपनी जो है शेयर को फॉरफिट कर देती है अगर कोई शेयर होल्डर अपना अमाउंट पूरा पे नहीं करता. सपोज एक शेयर होल्डर है और उसको 10 रुपीज़ पे करने थे, बट उसने 8 रुपीज़ पे करे और 2 रुपीज़ पे नहीं किए, तो उस केस में कंपनी हैज़ राइट टू फॉरफिट इट्स शेयर and reissue it to some other shareholder. That is known as procedure for forfeiture and reissue of forfeited shares. Next is rules regarding casting of vote and proxy voting. It means ki how the shareholder can cast their vote in the meeting and how the proxy voting should be there, and rules related to that is also mentioned in the article of association. Next is procedure for selection and removal of director. It means how the directors are being appointed and how they are being they are being removed. The procedure is mentioned in the article of association. Next is dividend declaration and payment related rules. Next is dividend declaration means डिविडेंड मतलब जो शेयर होल्डर को रिटर्न दिया जाता है, कंपनी जो रिटर्न शेयर होल्डर को देती है उसे क्या बोलते हैं, डिविडेंड बोलते हैं। उसकी डिक्लेरेशन और उससे रिलेटेड पेमेंट के रूल जो है वो भी किस में मेंशन होते हैं, आर्टिकल ऑफ एसोसिएशन में मेंशन होते हैं। नेक्स्ट इज प्रोसीजर फॉर कैपिटल रीएडजस्टमेंट। कैपिटल को किस तरह से रीएडजस्ट करना है उससे रिलेटेड जो भी प्रोसीजर होगा उसको भी आर्टिकल ऑफ एसोसिएशन में मेंशन किया जाएगा। एंड द लास्ट वन इज प्रोसीजर रिगार्डिंग द वाइंडिंग अप ऑफ द कंपनी। वाइंडिंग अप का मतलब होता है कंपनी को क्लोज करना। कंपनी जो है उसकी एग्जिस्टेंस ख़त्म हो जाती है और उसको हम क्या कहते हैं, वाइंडिंग अप। उससे रिलेटेड प्रोसीजर भी आर्टिकल ऑफ एसोसिएशन में मेंशन किया जाता है। These are the basic 10 contents that are being mentioned in the article of association. So, article of association and memorandum of association, these two are important document, and article of association is subsidiary of memorandum of association. Thank you.